guys, what's up? And yeah, welcome. Today we're doing an interview on a dog. Her name's MESSI. She's actually my dog. Alright, hope you enjoy. Okay, so first question. What YouTubers are in your family? Oh, so Donut Yo and Racetrack Ralphie. Okay, that's perfect, I understood. You're probably going to be a YouTuber too one day, or an interview for the internet. Just remember that. So don't remember repetition. Hey, sit. I'm going to say, wait, Missy. Okay, so what kind of breed of a dog are you? Oh, very interesting. So you're a Spoodle. Spoodle's pretty cute. After all, you're a Spoodle. You're cute. I know a friend who used to have a Spoodle. He's pretty cool. He's my best friend, actually. Okay. So, here's the last question. Are you shy on this interview? Be honest, we're not going to tease you. Oh, okay. Well, it's the end of the video now, so you're fine.